What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Aircraft Carrier. So let's hop right into it. So now, guys, you shoot these Ocean Carrier and the warships. We have the island or the aircraft. I'm gonna do the Aircraft Carrier. That's my favorite aircraft. They banned my other T-shirt. That's why you might see so loud. Yeah, they I don't know what happened. I deleted my other T-shirt. Now I have to put this one on. Let me see on my Robux on it. So, this video today we're gonna be playing Aircraft Carrier. What thing should I go to? Should I go to F-18, the Phantom, F-4, Phantom 2, or the F-35 Lightning III, the F-14 Tourcat? No, I didn't buy that. Or the T-15 Goshonk. Personally, I like this one better. Because you make it do the wings. So, you press T to do that. I'm turning on my engine. So I'm on computer. Get that out of there. Wings down! No, wings up, this up. Till we get to the... What the heck is going on there? I mean, it was glitched. His, I'm just trying to... No. Control Z. Control Z. No. Control Z. Control Z. I want to get to 1 power. Thank you. T. No, no, I want to flash. Yeah. I really just like the wheels animation. I really like it. I don't like it to move the wings. In this video, you're going to see me doing some dog fights. If there's any Russian carriers, there's no Russians here. Ugh. It'll be a little bit hard to do some dog fights. Oh, Russian carrier SU-33. This is Blue 6 standing by. Blue 6 standing by. This is Blue 6 standing by, going in for a bombing run on the Russian carrier. That red thing, you can't land on the Russian carrier. That's like stopping you from it. This is Blue 6 standing by, going in for bombing run on Russian carrier. I repeat, going in for bombing run. Go to full throttle. Yes, sir. Fuel goes up like that. We have this. Like it runs so much gas when you do that. I'm gonna try to land on the island. That's why I bomb run this. Get new planes for some refuel. Blue 6 standing by. Press B for bombs. It's a direct hit. I love dogfights. This is Blue 6 heading in for landing on the carrier. I'm on my new laptop, guys. Wee! Wee! Land on carrier. Lock on or leave. OMG. If I don't land, I'm gonna die. Getting ready for landing on carrier. So when you do land on carrier, your throttle needs to be down. Like way down. Wheels are down. Tail hook is down. And we are ready for landing on the carrier. 18 throttle. Going down. I see you. You see me? Oh, well, I got like a perfect thing for this carrier landing, bro. You guys do enjoy it? Please play Aircraft Carrier yourself. It's a little bit boring for me to play without fans, sadly. It was always better with fans. Like having every back, you know. Nah, it's not. Well, Happy New Year, guys. I filmed this on January 1st, but I didn't have my computer online. This is gonna be a beautiful landing. Tailhook's gonna be down and everything. No, tailhook was not down. No. I almost get locked. No! Ah! Eject! Eject! Ah! Oh. See, guys, I just died to the failed landing. Ugh. Why am I so bad? This time, guys, you're gonna see me on the aircraft carrier be green crew or yellow crew. Basically means I launch planes on Cat 1 and 2. I'm gonna go as yellow crew to help the other man because he looks like he's yes. So we're gonna drive over there and hopefully help him. Wheel is not on. No, okay. I'm not a tailboy, but I'm a yellow crew. I'm gonna roleplay, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be mining for diamonds. Oh, what the? The game's a little bit buggy sometimes. Some PvP. So I'll be Cat 1. And do this. We're gonna be roleplaying. The mace play. Obama, what are you doing? I've been watching many of my videos, and I'm being all sad. viewers. My viewers like me. That's our bond together. That job is boring as hell. Count 1 and 2 open. Can you, Mace, can you be the shooter? Sure. Okay, good. That job is boring as hell. Count 1 and 2 open. We're having so much fun. Don't mind this. This is, Belle. What? Where's Brown? Where's Brown? You got one. Alright. Needs to be green. Don't launch. He's wielded. Launch. So that, guys, is it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. Thank you.